With our superior equipment, we can provide the safest and most effective carpet beetle control and cockroach control, fly control in Auckland. No doubt Auckland Steam and Dry Steam is hot enough to kill and remove ants, cockroach, carpet beetle kill flies effectively and their eggs before the specialised pest control application to kill the remaining ants, cockroach, carpet beetle flies effectively. Our online reviews speak for themselves. Our loyal clients all remember us. They recommend us to their friends and family because we work hard to get your carpets as clean as they can be. We work hard to prove we are head and shoulders above everyone else in Auckland. We promise that you will notice the difference. Give us a call on 3767 007, our website Auckland Steam and Dry, where you can even book directly online with a pre-programmed instant quotation, or contact us on Facebook. Proudly servicing Auckland Central, North Shore, East, South, West Auckland and the Hibiscus Coast areas since 1987.